What is up, everybody? I'm Vending, and today we are going to be servicing two of my bulk vending machines on location, one at a barbecue restaurant and one at a Mexican restaurant. So a couple things we have to do this time servicing the machines. So at the Mexican restaurant, this is a crossbar I cut out and painted. I have to put that on the bottom of the stand because the stand is starting to lean. I'll show you that when we get there. And at the barbecue restaurant, I will need to pick out some of the faded gumballs because those have starting to fade. I noticed last time I went to eat there. So let's just hop right into it. Alright, so we're now at the first location, the barbecue restaurant. We're gonna go ahead and go in and see how the machine did. Alright, so we are now here at the Mexican restaurant. This is the piece that I will need to put on the machine. So we will go in, do that, and then do the collection.